fresh into stock at Guaranteed Motors. This lovely Mark 7.5 Golf Match. This has the very rare and exceptionally economical 1.6 TDI diesel engine, coupled with the DSG double clutch gearbox. It's done just shy of 45,000 miles. 7.5 gets the better lower front grille with the radar system behind the badge, LED running lights, and then beautiful diamond cut and black gloss alloys, rear privacy glass, the much better full screen touch nav system, and you've got driver select, so you can decide how you want to set the dynamics of the car. DSG automatic gearbox. We have adaptive cruise control, so you set the distance you want to remain from the car in front, as well as the speed. And the car will brake you until the obstacle gets out the way, and then get you back up to the speed that you'd originally set. We have auto lights and wipers, power folding heated mirrors. So the Match gets a much nicer spec than your standard SE. Nice size boot on the Golf, and space saver, but still a proper spare wheel. Front and rear parking sensors. And this has got a full service history. And as with all cars at Guaranteed Motors, we'll receive 6 months RAC warranty, 12 months breakdown cover, and an 82-point RAC check, along with a new service, new MOT, and any advisories that we find are rectified. Call Guaranteed Motors today.